A former Page High School teacher and coach in Greensboro faces serious criminal charges. Now a lawsuit calls out the Guilford County School District for rehiring him.
That lawsuit claims Mark Johnson Jr. sexually assaulted two students, then resigned, then was rehired at Page High School. Prosecutors say it was against district policy to do that. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake has new details.
Mark Johnson Jr. resigned from Guilford County Schools after an allegation in 2019. The district rehired him in 2022, and he now faces multiple criminal charges. A new lawsuit claims that decision put students at risk. Prosecutors say Johnson sexually assaulted a student under 16, a player on the girls' basketball team that he coached at Page High School. Investigators say back in February of 2023, a parent found messages between her daughter and Johnson. Search warrants later revealed deleted messages and images of students on his phone. Prosecutors say one student reported sexual contact and told investigators that Johnson said the behavior was normal. But Johnson's time in Guilford County Schools stretches back years. District records show that he worked as a substitute teacher in 2017, then a full-time teacher at Allen J. Preparatory Academy from 2018 to 2019. During that time, prosecutors say there was a report of inappropriate conduct involving a student. Johnson resigned, but GCS later rehired him in August of 2022. The district placed him at Page High School as a teacher and assistant girls basketball coach. He resigned again in February of 2023 when the investigation began. His attorney, Joe Floyd, said Johnson plans to plead not guilty and take his criminal case to trial. Now, a separate civil lawsuit filed this month shifts focus to the school district. Filed on behalf of a former student identified as Jane Doe 4, the lawsuit claims that Johnson groomed and sexually assaulted her multiple times when she was 15. Her attorney, Martin Ramey, says that this case is about accountability. He says schools are supposed to protect students and claims the district failed to do that. The lawsuit alleges the district knew about past concerns and still rehired Johnson, calling it part of a larger pattern. According to the complaint, the alleged abuse forced the student to leave Page High School and continue her education elsewhere, all while dealing with lasting trauma. The lawsuit seeks $25,000 in damages and calls for some major changes, including stricter hiring policies, mandatory training, and independent oversight. Guilford County Schools says it does not comment on pending litigation, but previously stated Johnson had no criminal charges related to sexual misconduct before February of 2023, and that it's cooperated fully with law enforcement. Johnson remains in custody as both cases move forward. A criminal trial is expected later this year.